here we're gonna feed the horses again. We came back from eating lunch and shopping. Oh, they keep the ducks.
Yeah. Oh.
And Mom, just to say, there's gonna be there's some things that sting. Usually on this side.
Mm.
It's good that you're wearing long pants.
Ciao. Yeah.
Come feed them. They're cute. Mama, pet them. They won't hurt you. They're trained. Isabella.
Where's Isabella?
She's in there. She's there. She's coming.
Isabella!
Bella. Oh, Bella.
Oh.
Isabella. Bella. Here, you come here. This one is very shy. Whoopee.
Isabella!
First, finish this podcast. It's old.
Isabella! Yeah, she was younger. Hi, Isabella!
I'm scared of her.
Oh.
She knows how to give kisses. Papa used to do it with her. Okay, wait. Ginger! Isabella! Ginger!
Oh. One more time, Rihanna.
The crunch is so satisfying. Ginger! Isabella! Ginger!
Oh. Good girl.
Can I try now? Mom, come. Mom.
Try Gabriel.
Okay. Wait, just feed a bit more.
Come on, ask her for Zunche.
You want to feed the little horse? Okay, come. Oh, this one's fresh. Wait, I'm gonna ask her. Yeah, she gives.
Oh.
It's a bit hard. Okay, you can feed.
You want to try with you, Fariha?
Come, let's go feed the tiny. Here, Idris, come. It might hurt Idris.
Yeah.
But it's not its fault, you know.
She's
it's just,
beautiful.
Come, Idris, you want to feed the donkey? Yeah, I'm gonna feed you. Mama, you know what was... the donkeys are so cute. Isabella. No, Gabe, Fufi
Isabella.
wants to... Idris, come. Yeah.
Good girl.
Nah, not because I don't
Don't
want
be
her.
scared.
I don't want her to bite my finger.
Give her this, Gabriel.
Nana, it won't bite your finger. Look. It's so gentle. And I just thought nice words. I said no. Bella. Wait, you need some grass. Bella.
Mama, look how cute these small horses are.
Yeah, these weren't here last year.
Yeah.
Bella.